What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I am unboxing my brand new Equipment Defender blower rack right after this. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, make sure that you show that like button some love. Be sure to check out our lawn care wear shop on Teespring. The link is in the description below. You guys are going to love the shirts there. If you enjoy this video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so I'm down here on the floor. Sorry, the angle is a little weird, but I purchased the Equipment Defender rack at the GIE EXPO. They had a special going on. I believe it was 10% off, maybe 20%, I don't remember. But it's the brand new blower rack that they came out with. I have been wanting an Equipment Defender rack for my blower for a long time. I had a Jungle Gym blower rack and it just wasn't holding up like I wanted it to. My blower, when I was driving along one time, it was pretty slow, but driving along, the blower clipped a barrel and bent the blower rack that I have now. So this is definitely something that I needed. So let's go ahead and start unboxing the Equipment Defender rack. Now, something I want to mention while I'm cutting this thing open with my keys is that I purchased this with my own money. It was not given to me by Equipment Defender. They did not ask me to make a video for this. In fact, they probably wish I wouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. So, yeah. I'm excited. The box is open. It's like you smell that new smell, you know, with the foam and the plastic that's probably surrounding the metal. It's like, ooh, it's great. All right. Let's get this thing out. Dun, 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 dun. Equipment Defender, you use too much tape. Oh. All right. So we got a few things here, huh? Looks like the swing arm and another part of the swing arm. The directions. Little bracket. This is what the blower is going to sit on. Metal. We've got the blower nozzle, that's what I call it anyway. Little cradle. Thick metal with a rubber coating around it. We've got the locking mechanism. A little bit of hardware. Don't eat this at home, kids. Eat it at work. More hardware. More mounting hardware. More mounting hardware. Don't know what these are for yet. We'll find out. Again, something I don't know what it's for yet. Aha! The swing arm. See? Nice. Alright, this is like the front. It says Equipment Defender on it. It's plastic. more hardware, and another metal piece. One thing I noticed they did not send me, I don't think they did, maybe they did. Well, just a second. So one thing I think that Equipment Defender forgot to send me, we will find out for sure, is the rounded tube mounting, because my trailer has tubes instead of angle iron. Tubes are much stronger, way better, just a little lesson on trailers. So it requires some special mounting equipment for that. I hope they sent it to me. The guy that I bought it from at the expo said that he would note that in the comments or whatever when I bought it. So hopefully it's there. Let's find out. This is what all came in the box for the Equipment Defender blower rack. And I'm going to get it assembled here, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, that is it. The rack is put together, finally. Took me about 30 minutes, longer than it should have. Some of the bolts were a little bit tighter than they probably were supposed to be. That's okay, it's together. So as always guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you when we mount this thing.